Hello, friends, and welcome to this module of interviewing skills. Today, we will have a look at a question: what motivates you? There are several similar type of questions that what makes you tick or what encourages you to do your best work, what inspires you, or what influences you to be your best. So these are the few of the type of questions through which interview would try to ask you that what is that thing that makes you work at your best, right? If you see the intentions of the interviewer, right, so interviewer is asking for your self assessment of what motivates you. Here you need to note that most people are not able to correctly self assess themselves on motivations. So the intent is to find out what you at least think motivates you. However, there are often new insights learned about the candidate by asking these questions. So many times interviewer will also try to assess that the motivational levels of his particular team are in alignment with your motivational level or not, because then that will help to create a psychological bond. When you join an organization, it will help you to create a psychological bond with your teammates. So when your goals and when your motivations are aligned and similar, right, you make a better team. The best way to approach this answer is that first thing, do not talk about money. Instead of that, focus on doing interesting work, right, doing meaningful work, right? You can say that recognition and tools, you should get proper tools to do your work, and opportunity for future for promotions and advancements, right? And if at all, if somebody asks you then what about money, as a follow-up question, right, you can simply acknowledge that yes, money is important, but if you are having an interesting job, then money will automatically flow, right? So this is one thing you need to remember. So don't talk about money first. If you see an example, then if you are an experienced candidate, then you can easily say that I am motivated by several things in my work. Means doing meaningful work, getting recognition, and having tools to be successful are the most important motivators for me. Means, for example, on one of my recent projects, we had opportunity to develop a leading edge system for our company. It meant a lot to me to be selected as a lead for this team, as a team leader, right? And we all worked together since we knew the importance of our work and the impact on our company, right? Our bosses also knew that we needed additional tools to complete the project successfully, and all those tools were provided and the project was delivered successfully, right? And as this project was delivered successfully, I had or opportunity, and it became one of the contributing factor towards my promotion in my current role, right? So here you can see how systematically you have framed an answer and you have given an exact reply what is expected by an interviewer, right? And if you are fresher, right, then doing a meaningful work and getting recognition would be the biggest motivating factor for any individual, because it is your first job, and when you do your first job very well and you know that you are doing a good job and you are contributing towards an organization's goals, and for that you are also getting recognition. So that will be definitely a biggest motivating factor for you. So you can frame your answer accordingly, right? The only thing you should avoid is do not talk about money at all. So if you see that money is what motivates me and I am here just for a job change because I have increased my EMI and I require now more salary and more CTC to compensate all those factors, so this is going to bring you in soup, right? So it's an advice: do not put or talk about money, right? Right, friends, hence we come to the end of this chapter, and see you soon. Goodbye.